Welcome again, Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for tuning in. Arsenal 3, Southampton 1, and that is exactly as how I predicted the game. I didn't know the goal scorers, but that is exactly how I predicted the game. Statistics, really and truly, it wasn't the best game from us. We actually played better in the game we played in the FA Cup. We actually played better in the FA Cup, but we lost that game. And this wasn't actually the best game. Possession of the ball, we couldn't retain possession of the ball. We couldn't break them down at some point in time. But at the end of the day, it's chance. We created more chances, and in the result of creating more chances, we got more goals as well. It was a rough game. We ended the game with 13, with 9 shots. They had 13. We had 5 each on target, and they created a lot of chance. 59% possession in favor of them. We had 41. Now, we have moved up the table to 8th position. We have now played our last 5 games and only draw 1, and we have now keep back-to-back games, 3 consecutive back-to-back games since about 2016 or later than that. So we are moving forward, and it's a good look. Now we are ahead of Chelsea, Aston Villa, and Southampton. And these are the teams who were actually in front of us just a few weeks ago, and we're in great position to do great things also in the league. But at this point in time, we're moving forward. We have seen Manchester City really ripped West Brom apart, and now they're standing on top of the table in good position, real good position, and they have conceded the least goal bar Aston Villa. But they have conceded the least goal. In my perspective, it wasn't the best game. This is now I can show you how fickle Arsenal fans are. This game wasn't the best game. We didn't play well in this game, but we came out with the win. And the game that we lost, we actually played better, and we didn't came out with anything. And Arsenal fans are going to say that game that we lost was actually the worst game, and this game they're going to say that this game is actually the better game. It is the better game because we won, but we didn't play the better football. We created more chances and we put them away this time around. That is the thing. That's about conversion. We converted our chances this time around rather than what happened last game. And as I said before, it wasn't the best game, but we dug in, we got the result, and that is what is important. Now, the only thing that is left to happen now is for Chelsea to lose against Wolverhampton tomorrow, but good game, and guess what? We move. I have a few more videos coming out, a little bit on Nicolas Pepe, also something that is happening in the football world right now. Thank you very much for tuning in. Military Guna TV, Arsenal 3, Southampton 1, Arsenal 3, Southampton 1, just as I predicted. Hopefully Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang can come back fully fit and okay, but we move on to Manchester United over the weekend, and that will be a big one. Guess what? Stay tuned. I'll be sending my reviews as well for that, my previews for that and predicted lineup, so look out for that. And as I can say, Military Guna TV, drop a like. Please drop a like on this video. And if you're here, subscribe. If you're new here, subscribe. Drop a like, subscribe. Military Guna TV, guess what? I am out.